What is the color of a dog? Black. Black means kala. What is the color of a purse? Blue. Blue means neela. What is the color of a leaf? Green. Green means hara. What is the color of a tomato? Red. Red means lal. What is the color of a beetroot? Maroon means maroon. What is the color of a ball? Orange means narangi. What is the color of an egg? White means safed. What is the color of a brinjal? Purple. Purple means bangani. What is the color of a car? Grey. Grey means slaty. What is the color of a lemon? Yellow. Yellow means peela. What is the color of a chocolate? Brown. Brown means bhura. What is the color of a teddy bear? Pink. Pink means गुलाबी. तो इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.